Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Good day, good afternoon, good evening, depends on wherever you're watching this video from. So guys, in case you are new here, you don't really know much about me. I'm a mom of 4 living in Germany, so my name is Rose NJ, I've changed it. So Norma, Jenny, So guys, in today's video, guess what I have here today? I have Harriet and Treasure. So Oya, say hi. So Oya, Treasure, say hi.
Hi.
So guys, first Oya, say hi. Daliti, say hi. So we also have Daliti here today. So in today's video, we are going to be unboxing this stuff we just got today. We received it today, So I think it's blender because I ordered a lot of things, Some are just delivered, some just came today, and I was not even expecting it today because it's last week that I ordered this stuff you are seeing here. I ordered it last week, and they sent me message that the thing is going to deliver within 15 days. It's not even up to 8 days, so we just received it today, So guys, we are going to be unboxing it to see what is inside. We just decided to take you guys along with us to unbox this stuff together. So it's okay. Thank God. So guys, Harriet is having one while I'm also having one here. Let's unbox it.
Can I unbox it?
So yeah, Harriet starts. We also unbox this one for myself because I think it's blender. It's this blender that I ordered. One is for my girlfriend, while one is for me, So Harriet has us. Hey, Harriet. Oh, open like this. Hey, it just open. Oh, it just open because sometimes some deliver. Don't know how they deliver things so. So this is the blender, So this is the mixer. It's mixer we are unboxing today. So I think this one, is very sharp, eh? This one will be for my girlfriend. It's even having a bit of scratch, but it doesn't matter. So this one, I think this one is the 2 liter because mine is 3 liters, So thank God this did not break. So everything came intact, So this one here is going to be the one for my girlfriend. It's 2 liters, so this one is for my girlfriend. This one is for my girlfriend. But when you see it, it's like the thing is so big like this.
What?
It came so small, but it's okay. It's for meat and all. It's for meat.
Wow.
This is 2 liters. Where did they even put this? I don't know where they put this one. Yeah. So I don't know. She will do it herself. So this is it. This is it. It's to blend things, So hopefully this is enough. So this is for my girlfriend because mine is 3 liters. The way the thing came, was sort of like this. They did not even package it well. I hope it will be working, So and this also came together with this one, yeah. And last. So let me see. Mine is 3 liters from different sellers. The way it packaged this thing, just bring it like that, So it can cause a lot of damages, So I ordered this with a different seller, So I think this seller is better than this one because can you guys see how I packaged this? So this seller is a nice person, Can you see how I packaged it? With this hello, the thing will be protected. So guys, this is it. So this is mine. I think this one is mine because it's 3 liters. But when you see there on photo, it's like it looks so big. But when it came, it's small like this. But it's okay, it's manageable, So you can still use it to blend anything you want to use it for. Can you see this seller? It has sense. Can you see how it packaged the things? This is how this one's supposed to package those stuff. Just pack it and girlfriend. This is my girlfriend. I think this one is mine. It's 2 liters. Oh. When I bought it, well, I'll give this to my girlfriend because that one already is scatter. So I'll give this to my girlfriend. It's the same thing, So I'll take the So I'm struggling to open this stuff because this seller is the best. The packaging alone, it will tell you everything, So it's the best. She is the best. Can you see inside? The other one, na gwagara gwogoro, gwogoro gwagada. So this is the best seller. You know, everything came so well and it's out. Even this one also came with the other one, but everything was so tattered. Everything was pieces, you know. So can you see how she packaged everything? It's a good seller. Can you see it? Everything is intact. Wahala, wahala, because this is how this one come. Oh, it's different charger, you know. Hey, this one is UK or be UK charger or the where.
Maybe you can.
So you first plug this because Europe don't use this kind of mat, you know. So they don't use this kind of mat, you know. So you first plug it here before you now plug it in the other one, you know. This is supposed to be mine, but I'll give it to her. I'll give it to her. So I also came with this. He also came with this. So I gotta take this because this one it came presentable. It didn't came well. So everything was inside here. While the carton, this is the box. It was so tattered. It was pieces, you know. I have to give that to my girlfriend because I don't want to. I like when I buy something for someone, you have to appreciate it, you know. So I'll give this one to my girlfriend. That one came so well and packaged. I'll manage this one that I'm not that type. When no. Take it to my girlfriend, you know. So it's so nice. Can you see? It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. So let's package it back.
So guys, at this point, so I am done unboxing. So what I'm about doing now, so I want to take the children out for their holidays because they have holidays and they have where they fix here where the children are playing, you know. So that's where I will take them to today after I finish unboxing. Then that's where we are going to be going today. So I'll carry you guys along. So stay tuned and let's go have fun together. Bye.
You go enter with your friends. So